Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see how to create multiple backup files in sort program, as well as how to split the records, meaning copying alternative records in output files, and also how to selectively copy records. Earlier we used to use skiprec and stop after to selectively copy a fixed number of records. In this video we are going to see how to use startrec and endrec. Startrec and endrec can be used along with output files parameter. First, let us see how to create multiple backup files. As far as sort is concerned, you can create multiple output files by using sort of dd name along with the suffix. Even you can rename this using fnames also. Fnames parameter you give in outfill fnames. But as a standard, we are using sort of 01, 02 and so on. You can create plenty of output files. The limit is huge. Here I am creating couple of output files. You have to just mention outfill files equal to 01, 02. If you want to create another output file, you have to just repeat this JCL, 4 lines of this JCL, change to sort of 03 and give sort of 03 here. Okay, another way is you can give include or omit like this. You can give include equal to all. Okay, or omit equal to none. All these are keywords used in sort. This is the most used better way, 02, 03. You can use include equal to all and omit equal to none, provided you are creating multiple output files and one output file is exactly same copy and other output files is having filtering condition, either using include or it could be outrec, outfill outrec, where you are selecting specific columns. Here I am creating two output files. Let me delete this. Okay, you have to just give outfill files equal to 1, 2, 3, and so on. Otherwise give 1, include equal to all or omit equal to none. So this is how you have to create multiple backup files in a single step. Remember, in IBGener you can create only one backup. Here you can create multiple backups. Let's see the next JCL. In this JCL, we are going to see how to split the records from an input file while copying to output files. What do we mean by split? I've added a keyword split here, which is subparameter. That's why I've given a comma here. Split means it is going to copy alternate records. For example, let me show the input file. This is the input file. Let me browse, or let me get into view mode so that I know the line numbers also. This line numbers I am going to copy to a notepad. Okay, it's already copied. This is a line number. This is the actual data. Okay, if you give split and how many files are given as output, let me show the JCL. We have two output files. I'm saying split when you're copying data from input file to these two output files. Split means it's going to alternatively copy the records. For example, since we have two output files, the first record, third, fifth, 7, all odd number records will be placed in one output file. And remaining records, the even records will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 will be stored in the second output file. You can also have multiple output files. Suppose if you have 3 output files, for example, let me introduce by repeating the 4 lines. I'm giving sort of 03 says 5. So now we have 3 output files. Okay, and we are splitting the records input file into 3 output files. So first record will be copied here, second record will be copied here, third record will be copied here from the input file. Then fourth record, 5, 6, it's going to copy alternatively. Then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and so on. So it is going to copy alternative records. Okay, so first record will be copied to first output file, second record will be copied to second output file, third record, third output file, again fourth record, first output file, second output file, third output file, first output file, etc. So this is how we have to use split. If someone asks you split the records, you can use split keyword along with outfill files parameter. Okay, if someone asks you to just take a backup of input file, multiple backups, you need not write multiple IBJNS steps. Instead, you can use sort program and give output files parameter, and then you can just give output files equal to 1, 2, and so on. Okay, in the first JCL we saw how to create multiple backup files. The second JCL we have just splitted the data across our output files. In the third JCL we are going to selectively copy the records in output files. Earlier we used skiprec and stop after. Remember, skiprec stop after will be executed first before sort fields, and outfill files will be executed after sort fields. Okay, here we can mention the record number, while skiprec and stop after denotes a number of records, not record number. Suppose if you want first 5 records in one output file, second 5 records in another output file, you can write like this: start rec equal to 1, end rec equal to 5. Let me show the file. So since I have given 1, 5, start rec equal to 1 and end rec equal to 5, the first 5 records will be copied to this output file. Similarly, I gave start rec equal to 6, end rec equal to 10. Suppose if you don't give end rec, it will copy from 6th onwards to the last record. Okay, you can selectively copy the records based on record number. Okay, you can copy first 50 records to one output file, second 50 to one output file, third 50 to another output file. You can use start rec and end rec. Okay, in this video we are seeing how to create multiple backup files. Okay, exact copy, multiple backup copies, and how to split the data from input file into multiple output files, and also how to selectively copy records based on record number. Okay, let me submit the JCL. I'm going to submit this. There are at least 6 output files, max is 0. Let me copy the file name. First 2 output file, exact same copy. Second file, third file and fourth file, we are splitting records from input file to 2 output files. Third, 5 records in first output file, the first 5 records, and second 5 records will be in second output file. Let me go to 3.4. Okay, first 5 records. I'll write 0 star here. Okay, first 2 records, perfect backup. Okay, you can see 1AC-D2 to 1AC-D1. Okay, 1AC-D2 to 1AC-D1. All 14 records have been copied. Okay, and this is second backup, exact image copy, 1AC-D2, 1AC-D1. All 14 records got copied. I'm going to go in view mode to see the line numbers. Okay, here it's an alternate copy. Third and fourth file is an output of second step, where we have splitted the data from input file to 1AC-D2, 1AC-D4, 1AC-C4, C6. So alternate records C2, C7 and D0. Okay, so 1AC-D2 onwards, and in second output file again 7 records, again the alternate records 1AC-D3, C0, C5, C1, C3, C8 and D1, C8 and D1, 7 records, but it's an alternate record. So you can create multiple output files. I just created 2 output files. In fact, you can create many number of output files. You can split across multiple output files. And in 5th and 6th output, we have copied first 5 records in this file and the next 5 records in next output file. So 1AC-D2, D3, D4, C0, C4, 1AC-D2, D3, D4, C0 and C4, first 5 records. Remember, skip rec is number of records, stop after is number of records, while start rec is and end rec is record number. Okay, it's record number 1 to record number 5, record number 6 to record number 10. Let me show the next output file. Again, we have 5 records in this output file. 1AC, C5, C6, C1, C2, C3. 1AC, C5, C6, C1, C2 and C3. Okay, we have copied based on specific record number. So this is how we have to use, create multiple output files, exact image copy, split the data, alternate records, okay, and then use start rec and end rec to copy specific record numbers. Hope you understood how to use output files to create multiple backups by using split as well as start rec and end rec. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please put like and comment and share. Thanks for watching this video.